Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe if you like what you see so far. Okay, so my today's video is at night, and yes, my face is without makeup since I am going to sleep after shooting this video. Okay, so today I am going to tell you guys that does the hacks work or not. Like recently in many of the few days I have seen a video that says that you can curl your hair without heat overnight. So in those videos I liked one method of that, and I'm going to try this and tell you guys that does it really work or not, and really no cheating. So I'll tell you guys really frankly that it is working or not. वैसे भी in my hair curls don't stay for long time, but let's see, we'll see. Yeah, so without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, for that first we have to put this band. Yeah, I'm using my hair band. Okay, I hope this works. And watch this video till end so you'll know that it is working or not. Okay, first I have this spray bottle in which it is water, normal water, tap water, and I am using this on my hair. Yes, once my hair got wet, what I have to do is, I'll keep this at side. Okay, I have to section it and then twist it and then put it inside this band. I wonder how to put it. Yeah. It is quite difficult, not as easy as shown in that fast forward thing in other videos. Okay, I'll try it to do it fast, but it is difficult because this band is tight, and if I stretch it more it will come out from my head. So let's see, I'm trying. OMG, it got mixed in my hair. Shit. Okay, yeah, I got it. Wait, I'll show you guys. Okay, I'm really hoping this works. Okay, I feel these hair are dry. I'll wet it again. Actually, you know what the problem is? I have such a long hair. इसको roll करने में time चला जाता है. Okay, in short, what we have to do is just pull this thing, wrap your hair around this. Okay, I'll also go in fast forward now. Like, I think it will take a lot of time. I'll tell you, wait guys, I'll tell you actually how much time it is taking in my phone. Okay, it's 11:20. I'll tell you once I finish. Yes, it's done and it is looking quite weird. I hope it don't get removed at night and the hair don't fall on my face. I don't want pimples on my face, especially not now. Like as I said in my last video, like this week is really important. I don't know why I'm doing such videos, but then also I'll show you the whole thing. Like see, my hair are also coming out from some of the section. I hope I have done in a correct way and I am hoping that it turns out to be good. Like overnight is something big. Let's see, I'll let you know in the morning, and I am sleeping right now, that's for sure. And yeah, it's 11:24, so we can say that yeah, it got finished within in 3 minutes. Yeah, and before that 1 minute, or maybe in 5 minutes you are done with this. So we'll see in the morning. Hope for the best. Good morning guys, it's early morning. I wake up early every day, so it's 6:30 and I'm going to open this. So let's see. I hope it turns out good. And yes, at night it was little uncomfortable, yes, obviously, but it's okay. For 1 or 2 days you can adjust that thing. And yes, it is little messy right now, so we'll see. Let's open it. It is difficult to remove also. I don't know what happened, like knots and all those things. I don't know. It's not that easy as shown in other videos. Okay, damn, it is done. It is looking nice. Yeah, like this way my hair are not curled in that machine also. Like seriously, it gave volume. Superb, na? Nice. Like on my left hand side they are really good, and on right I don't know what's wrong. I guess I must have not done that properly. Okay guys, this is the first time I have seen my hair curly in my life. So like it is really different for me. Like always I curl using that curly machine and it is not that perfect. I don't know what. Maybe like I don't know how to curl. So I need to learn, but this is amazing. Like I loved it. So please do try this if you are wishing to try, or if you don't have a curly machine. In fact, you have a curly machine, then also try. Okay, it's early morning, I'm not gonna speak that much, but yes, I do loved it. Do let me know in the comment section that is this looking good or not on me. And guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And that's it. Meet you in next video. I come every Monday and Friday. Okay, bye.